Hello, welcome back to Coding Mantra AI series. So in this series, we are creating Coding Mantra AI project. So in the last video, we have created this function for OpenAI. So now we are going to install Ionic for our application. So for that, let's go to Ionic. Then let's install the Ionic if you don't install that. So I hope that you already had the node in install, so you just can install our Ionic application. So Ionic helps you to create the hybrid application where users code one and you can use it in Android, iOS and web. So let's start with the CLI, so we can start our project from there. So let's see. So in a CLI you will get the help for starting the project. So let's start with the Ionic start. So let's go to the folder first and let's start with the Ionic start. So you can use Angular, React, Vue based on your requirement. So let's give a project name. Then you can select multiple template. You can use select template whichever you want to use. So for this project we are going to start with a blank template. So let's get it installed. So it is installed now. So we are ready with our project. So let's open our project. So you can see our folder structure. So we have the home page, and let's start our project in a serve. So you can use it by Ionic serve by going to your project directory. So our project started. Because I already have the dark mode in my system, that's why we are seeing this dark mode. So you can that's why that is a basic behavior of Ionic. Now they support light and dark theme, so you can also disable the dark theme. So for now, if you see in my system, I have the auto mode. So it's in a night. It is dark mode enabled. So if you see here, when we select light, it is light theme is enabled to our project. So you also want to change this behavior by going to, if you want to remove the dark mode, then you just go to a variable SCSS file, and then you can remove media query for the dark mode. So now let's run our project again. So you can see this now this project run again. So we are seeing this light theme. So when we also change to dark, then still it because still it is light theme. So now we are ready with our project. In the next video we can change we can add multiple components and add our pages based on our requirement. So for now let's just go to home page and change our project name. So we are going to, instead of home, we are should show our project name. Yeah, so we are ready with the Coding Mantra AI. Let's add color to our tab. So instead of title we need to give it to toolbar. Sorry. Yeah, so we are ready with the Coding Mantra AI first initial setup. So we are ready, and in the next videos we are going to add more and more features there.